Laws of Motion video project. First law of motion. An object that's in rest needs to stay in rest, or an object that's in motion needs to stay in motion until acted upon by an outside force. The man is in motion until an object that's not in motion stops him. Second law of motion. The net force of an object will cause the object to accelerate in the direction of the force. The amount of acceleration is dependent on the size of the force and the mass of an object.
Zullen we even lekker opstellen? Nou.
Because the ball has a little mass, it's easier for the man to kick the ball hard. Third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal but opposite reaction. Because the man jumps with his massive force, the same amount has to come out of the trampoline, so that's why he can jump at the same height back. Law of gravitation. Any two masses exert an attractive force on each other. The amount of force depends on the size of an object and the distance between them.
Okay, here we go! 2,000 ping pong balls in 3, 2, 1! Oh yeah!
Because there's no gravity, the objects are weightless, so they keep moving around the air. Law of conservation of momentum. Momentum can be transferred by one object to another. The total momentum will not change, so the other objects keep going at the same speed. An outside force can stop it.
Even if you have multiple objects going at different speeds that might collide, for example, the total momentum of the system before and after the collision will remain constant.
Because there's no gravity, the objects keep moving around when they touch each other, because they have the same momentum.